na lang oh, zipline ba? Kahanoy siguro no? Dira bagikan. Ito.
This is the landslide area of Del Sario, Agusan del Sur. Ito ang isang bundok na naglandslide noong isang bagyo.
This is the mountain that's sliding in the Memeng and the Friachor.
That's the two-person
Bisag video.
between the landslide area is tourism. Oh my God, what happened to girl?
That's the girl. Is the cause of this. Cause he tajak-tajaking the bundok. So that this area was landslided.